when we talk about enriching the lives of others, it is a key component of who we are as Warsaw Community Schools. And this was a way to be able to give back, to help students learn about global perspective that is out there, to help them learn about the needs. And so when the community group came together now almost 12 years ago and pitched this idea and said, is there a facility that we could run this in our schools? We jumped up and down and we said yes. What an excellent way to be able to bring people together for a united theme of ending hunger. There are a number of stories that come back to us over the years of these were in the same village that somebody went to, clear on the other side of the world. It might have been a missions trip, or it might be a student that came to us through non-traditional means into the schools, but saying, I recognize those MobilePacks. So it becomes a great educational piece for our students to truly be involved from the beginning of the process all the way to finding out where the shipment of food ends up and the lives that it's impacting.